You've waited 4 years for this. Leap Day, February 29th, 2024 is finally here. A whole 24 hours to do with as you please. But sometimes, as this obvious stock footage demonstrates, 24 hours isn't enough. You'll need to find more time to grow your business, spend time with friends and family, and do the things you love. Well, you're in luck. The ActiveCampaign Leap Day Extravaganza is almost here. Over the course of 29 hours, you will hear advice on how to make more time from over 100 experts, including Jay Baer, Mike King, Ann Handley, John Jantsch, Dr. Kim Everett, Purna Virji, Rand Fishkin, Scott Monty, Peacey and Melissa Love, Andrew and Pete, Paul Roetzer, Najma Salam, Simon Squibb, Sangram Varje, Salva Martinez, and Marc Zao-Sanders. Attend as many sessions as you'd like this week and watch on demand through March 31st. After all, we're here to make more time for you, no matter your time zone.
Happy Leap Day from Florianópolis Island in Brazil.
Greetings from New Delhi, India.
Coming to you from Union Station in Denver.
Here I am at the Old Town Phuket in Thailand.
Hello from Krakow, Poland.
Hola from Costa Rica.
I am calling in today from beautiful Vancouver, BC.
The ActiveCampaign
Leap Day Extravaganza.
The ActiveCampaign
Leap Day Extravaganza. The ActiveCampaign Leap Day Extravaganza. Register now at leapday.live.